Hello there. Uh, we got the 2009 BMW 335i. This car comes with many issues like back cover gasket is leaking and the oil pan, but the main problem is the serpentine belt is go out because have its own leak, oil leak. But I want to make this video because after we finish the job, put the spark plugs, ignition coil, we find the full injection. The full injector it was bad. We had to replace it. You can see here, like on this car somebody worked before. You can see the number there, number 1. And then in cold star, and this car is working really good. But after driving a little while, it's got a low power, like low pressure on. It's no spray good. We had to get it another full injector. Is the number 1 because it's kind of show me. We pull the code, it show me the code cylinder number 1, bad combustion. Okay, you can see this common problem on those BMWs. I got that problem last time. I got the same thing, and also you have to check the fuel pressure sensor because it's go under the air filters, go underneath close to the full injection pump. And then if you have any issue on your BMW 3 Series, you can see the first thing you change the coils or spark plug is still there, the misfire. You can change the injector because this is not show any code like injector is bad. Only showed cylinder number 1 is misfires, or on cylinder number 3. But the best way to test it, you can change the front one, go put an different side like a number 2, number 3, touch it and change the spark plug too and the coil, and you don't know. Now you know where is the problem. But hopefully you enjoyed the video and you find your issue on your BMW twin turbo M54.